Hello guys, my name is Mike and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about my experience on Upwork, about my first order on Upwork. I started freelancing like 4 years ago. In those days I didn't understand what I will do and what skills I will provide to customers. All I understood then that I want to sell services in web development. I started from web builders like Squarespace, Webflow, Tilda, and maybe something more. I don't remember. And at the beginning, I didn't understand what to write to proposals, how to fill up the profile. I didn't have a portfolio, so I was like a zero. And so after war, February 24, 2022, my account got blocked because I was in Russia, because I lived there. And then I just can't freelancing because like sanctions and all this stuff. And almost for a year, I can't return my account, and I decided to create a new account. So as you know, you can have two freelancer accounts, like two freelancer, two agencies, or wherever. You can have only one type account, like one freelancer account, one agency account, and one client account. So I created the second freelancer account type, and as you understand, it got blocked too. But it got blocked when I can put in an order, and I'll say about that a little bit later. I had two freelancer types accounts, and on the second account, I can send proposals and can search projects, can create projects and all those things. But the problem that I started on March, like sending proposals, and I sent 10 proposals per week. And on 10, or I don't remember what exactly, I got an offer. And the project was not too big, and it's kind of small task that I completed like in 20 minutes, but I got a positive 5-star reviews. And that's almost everything I can say, but I forgot about one thing. It's about a client. The client is from India, and you can just like, what? Why you accepted a project from guy is from India? And I can say that I laid on the bed, and when you're searching on mobile, like cell phone or wherever, on mobile app, I mean, you can see a location when you just first see the project. And I didn't see a location. I I don't know, I just sent a proposal and like and go to sleep, and that's all. So in conclusion, I can say that Upwork is kind of interesting thing, because you are sending proposal and not client sending proposal like on Fiverr. And that's kind of tricky at the beginning. But right now, I'm not sending proposals again, because I'm not searching new clients now. I have some clients on offline and somewhere else. So yeah, just thanks you for watching or listening. I hope you've been well. So goodbye guys. See you soon.